Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious rice and meat recipe. And here, I have here sliced lamb mince, 2 white onions, half lemon, wooden cinnamon, a few dried bay leaves, and pine seeds, 3 cups of basmati rice, cooking oil, and cardamom seeds. And here are the spices. Here I prepared a teaspoon of cinnamon, onion, normal pepper powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Now let's get started. And with our pressure pot with boiling water, let's add our lamb meat. And now let's add a piece of onion, half lemon, few bay leaves, and our wooden cinnamon. And add a teaspoon of salt. And let's remove the foam. Once we cleared the water from the foam, now let's cover our pressure pot. And let it boil until the meat become very soft. And for the meantime, let's wash and soak our basmati rice. And now let's slice our remaining onion. Now done, set aside. Soak our basmati rice for about 10 minutes. After 1 hour of boiling the meat, let's check if it's soft. Turn off. Let's check the meat if it's soft. Yes, it's soft now. Turn off and set aside. After 10 minutes of soaking our basmati rice, let's wash and drain it. In our cooking pot, let's put cooking oil. Let's wait until it becomes hot. Now, once the oil hot, let's fry our pine seeds. Once it turns to golden brown, let's remove the pine seeds. Now, it's ready to remove. Or with the same pot, let's fry our onion. Fry it until it turns to golden brown. When it's turned to brown, let's add our cardamom seeds. Fry it, the onion, and add our lamb mince. And now, let's add our basmati rice. Add our seasonings. And now, let's add 6 cups of broth meat. Done. Let it boil, cover it, and let's wait until it cooks. And now let's check our delicious rice. Our delicious rice and meat recipe is ready to serve. Mm. Mm. Smells so good. Our delicious rice and meat recipe is ready to serve. Mm.